Thank you for joining me today to learn about AIDET. AIDET's really important. It makes our patients happy. Happy patients mean happy hospital. First, a few announcements. To the person with a leftover license plate, your lights are on. I'm a 1:30 nap schedule, so can we keep this question short, please? Today we're going to learn how to use AIDET to make our patients less anxious and like our hospital. First, you have to acknowledge people. You have to make the person know you see them, and then you're glad they're here. Watch me. Hi, what's your name?
Me? My name's Teddy.
You have a cool shirt. Blue is my favorite color. See, I made them feel happy. They like me already. Now you have to introduce yourself. People get scared when they're strangers. You have to give them their name. I'm Dr. Emma. My badge says so. I've been a doctor my whole life. My mom says I'm the best doctor in my whole wide world. Then we have to tell people the duration. Duration means how long we have to do things. If it's an x-ray, they need to know how long to close their eyes. If it's a flu shot, they need to find a place to hide. People can't wait all day. Ain't nobody got time for that. Then we have to explain to people. We know what we're doing, but our patients don't. We need to tell people what we're doing so they won't be scared of us. Finally, you have to say thank you. When we get done doing things, we need to thank our patients. Thanking people is nice. If you're not nice, then that's mean. And patients don't like mean people.
What if the wait is going to be very long? Can I lie?
Oh, Jerry, that's a silly question. Lying makes God mad.
This all sounds very scripted. I feel like I sound like a robot.
Are you a robot?
I'm not a robot.
Well, then don't sound like a robot. People will like you. I'm getting tired now. It's hard being a 3-year-old surgeon. Ice cream is in the bag now from my mommy. The youngest doctor gets to go first.